Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets Pod. Today we've got something super exciting. We're unboxing the Botestone Sphinx Pro Bluetooth speaker in this beautiful tropical blue color. It promises to bring you powerful sound, stunning RGB lights, and a whole lot of fun. Let's dive in and see what we get inside the box. All right, here we go. The first thing I notice is the packaging. It's really sleek and minimalistic. I'm digging this bright, bold design on the front. You can see some of the main features listed right here. 20W RMS sound, RGB lights, up to 8 hours of playtime, and the TWS functionality. Let's crack this open. All right, now we're down to the actual box. It feels pretty sturdy, and the box has this premium vibe to it. I'm already excited to see what's inside. Let's open it up and get the full reveal. Now let's see what else we've got inside the box. Along with the speaker, we have a quick start guide, which is super helpful for getting started quickly. There's also a detailed instruction manual and a warranty card, definitely good to keep in case anything goes wrong down the line. Next up, we've got a charging cable. It's USB Type-C, so it's quick and efficient. And here's an AUX cable for wired connections, so you're covered no matter how you want to hook up your music. Here it is, the Botestone Sphinx Pro. It looks even better in person. Check out this tropical blue color. I love how vibrant it is. It's got this solid, compact feel, so you can tell it's well built. It's not too big, which is perfect for throwing in your bag or taking it on the go. Just taking a closer look here, you can see the front has this cool mesh design with the Boat logo right in the center along with volume controls. The design is clean, and there's a really nice texture on the speaker that gives it a premium look and feel. It even comes with a carrying strap for added convenience, making it easy to take with you. Plus, it's not too heavy, so you can easily toss it in your bag and carry it around without a second thought. On the side, you'll see the control button panel, which includes the play/pause button, power button, and light controls to manage the RGB light. Below them, under the protective rubber cover, you've got the AUX input, USB port, micro SD card slot, and the Type-C power port for charging. That rubber cover isn't just for show. It protects the buttons from dust and moisture, ensuring they last longer and provides a better grip for easier control. Now it's time to test this beauty out. Let's power it up. Just press the power button on the side and you'll see the lights light up. Those
Power on.
RGB LEDs
You've
are
plugged into
already adding a
Nirvana.
cool vibe.
Bluetooth mode.
Let me pair it with my phone via Bluetooth. It's really easy to connect, and the Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a stable connection with a longer range. Pairing is a breeze, and we're ready to go. Now that the speaker is connected to my phone via Bluetooth, let's test it out by playing an audio file I have saved. All right, here it goes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
The sound is so clear, and the bass is absolutely amazing.
coals that take us.
You can really feel the depth in the audio. The vocals are sharp, and the instrument separation is on point. Even at higher volumes, there's no distortion.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
So, whether you're listening to your favorite tracks, relaxing with a podcast, or just enjoying an audiobook, the Botestone Sphinx Pro delivers exceptional sound quality. It's perfect for both parties and quiet moments. Now let's take a look at some of the other fantastic features of the Botestone Sphinx Pro. The 20W RMS really packs a punch, whether you're listening to music or watching videos. The TWS feature lets you pair two Sphinx Pro speakers together wirelessly for a true stereo sound experience. This is perfect for house parties or creating a surround sound setup. It also comes with RGB LED lights that sync beautifully with your music, adding a vibrant visual element to your listening experience. These lights can really set the mood, whether you're chilling at home or hosting a party. The built-in microphone makes it easy to take calls directly from the speaker. It's perfect for hands-free conversations, whether you're catching up with friends or taking a quick work call. What's more, the speaker offers multiple connectivity options. You can connect wirelessly with Bluetooth 5.0, or use the AUX port, USB port, or micro SD card slot for playing music. It's all about giving you the flexibility to listen the way you want. Finally, with up to 8 hours of playtime, you can enjoy your music nonstop without worrying about recharging. And when it's time to charge, the Type-C charging port ensures a faster and more efficient recharge. All these features make the Boat Stone Sphinx Pro a complete package for music lovers on the go. And that's a wrap on the Boat Stone Sphinx Pro. With its powerful sound, vibrant RGB lights, and versatile features, it's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay groovy.